started our chapter number 7, right? And you are curious because I have completed half chapter and half was remaining. So maybe you are curious that what will happen in the second part. So shall I start? Yes, students. I explained that Jumman Sheikh and Albu Chaudhary are friends. And they are very famous in the village. Their friendship is very strong. And Jumman Sheikh has one aunt. She is living with Jumman Sheikh and she has transferred her property to Jumman's name, right? And on the condition that Jumman will take care of her. But for some years everything was going smooth. But after some time, Jumman and his wife started ill-treating auntie, right? And so auntie has gone to the panchayat, and at that time went to meet Albu Chaudhary also, and she told him, you just come to the panchayat, right? Now second part here it is. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, panchayat was held and aunt has nominated Albu Chaudhary Panch. Now Jumman Sheikh was feeling very happy because he thought that Albu Chaudhary is his friend, so he will not give a decision against him, right? He will favor him. As Albu Chaudhary, he told to Jumman Sheikh that as you are my friend, you are dear to me, same as your aunt is also dear to me, right? But the voice of the Panch is the voice of the God. So right now, you and all to Jumman Sheikh, let's say in your defense, what do you want to say? 3 years ago, began Jumman, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. So Jumman Sheikh told that my aunt has transferred her property on my name, and I promise that I will take care of her. This fight between my wife and my aunt, right? And I could not stop the fight. Now aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. Jumman was cross-examined by Albu and others. Then Albu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back. And finally, Albu announced that Jumman will pay monthly allowance to aunt, otherwise he has to return the property. Now what happened? The two friends become enemy, right? The bond of friendship was broken between them, and now Jumman want to take revenge from Albu. Days passed, and as ill luck whatever. And now after that, what happened? That as the days passed, and ill luck of Albu Chaudhary was started. He has 2 bullocks, and he sold that bullocks to Samju Sahu. Right now, Samju Sahu was ill-treating the bullocks. So what happened? That one of the bullock was died. And when Albu Chaudhary asked for money, Samju Sahu denied that he will not pay for the ill bullocks. So Albu Chaudhary said that when I sold you, the bullocks were not ill, they were healthy, and you should have to pay me the money. But Samju Sahu denied to pay. So now Chaudhary went to the panchayat, right? And against what happened, under the same banyan tree, panchayat was held. Now Jumman Chaudhary told Samju Sahu, you can nominate your panch. So Samju Sahu, he was knowing about the enemy of he was knowing all the case about some Albu Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh, right? he was knowing that Algu has given decision against Juman Sheikh. So now Juman and Algu are no longer friends, and Juman want to take his revenge. So Samju Sahu, what he has done? He has nominated Juman Sheikh as his Panch. Now Algu Chaudhary was very afraid, right? He thought that if Juman Sheikh will give the decision against me and he will take his revenge, I will not get the money. And suddenly Juman Sheikh got up, and what he said, and he heard everything from Samju Sahu and Algu Chaudhary, right? So as at that time, he on the seat of the Panch, he has forgotten all matter. He forgotten his enemy, right? And he heard his conscience. Juman became head Panch. He realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. And as Juman become Panch, he realized his responsibility, right? He realized his dignity, right? Could he seated in that high place have his revenge now? And what he thought, as he is sitting on the high place, and should he take his revenge right now? So he thought, and no, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. And what he thought, that he should not allow his personal thoughts, his personal feelings in this way, right? And at the time of speaking the truth, he should not bring his personal feelings and thoughts here. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined, and the case was considered deeply. And both Samju Sahu and Algu Chaudhary stated their case, and they were cross-examined, right? Both were asked many questions, and the case was considered deeply. Then Juman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. Right? The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it." And both Algu and Samju Sahu were cross-examined. And then Juman Sheikh got up, and what he said, that as per my opinion, that Samju Sahu should pay amount to Algu Chaudhary, because when Samju Sahu bought the bullocks, both bullocks were not ill health, not disabled or deceased, and for the death of the bullocks, Algu Chaudhary should not be blamed. Algu could not control his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the Panchayat. This is the justice. God lives in the voice of the Panch." And as soon as Juman Sheikh gave his opinion, that he gave his decision that Samju Sahu should pay amount to Algu Chaudhary could not control his feelings, right? And he got up and he started dancing, right? And he started shouting loudly that victory to the Panchayat, and this is justice. And what he said, that God lives in the voice of the Panch. And soon after, Juman came to Algu, embraced him, and since the last Panchayat I had become your enemy, today I realized what it means to be a Panch. And then Juman Sheikh come near Algu Chaudhary, he embraced him, and what he said, that from the last Panchayat I became your enemy, but now I understand what is the Panch and what is the responsibility of Panch. And what he said, a Panch must not have any friend or an enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. And what he said, Panch only knows the justice, right? No one should deviate from the path of justice, right? And truth for friendship and enmity. Means what Juman Sheikh want to tell, for friendship or fair enmity. Right? We should not show our personal feeling at the time of justice. Albu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. And Albu embraced his friend, and his tears washed all the misunderstanding and enmity between them, and dirt of misunderstanding and enmity between them. So students, our chapter is over. Hope do you understand. Thank you.